Hey everyone, and welcome to another quick All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2025 Cottage 41 FWC Destination fifth wheel. That's right, Destination fifth wheel. This thing has a really cool printed fiberglass exterior. It has those square framed windows that you're starting to see a lot in RVs. This is a triple axle unit coming in at just a little over 42 feet long and a little over 14,300 some odd pounds dry. Let's step inside this 38-inch wide entry door here and check it out. All right, so as you can see up inside here, it does have a little different cabinetry and look than the traditional Cedar Creek. You got kind of a little flip up bar tabletop over there, that really cool kind of famous TikTok sink, big TV, nice little theater area right here, the big lounge with a sofa bed built in. Then you have a really nice staircase back here with some shelving and stuff built in, taking you up to this loft area here, so you could sleep a couple extra guests. This thing again has two lofts, two slide outs. You have the option for one or two awnings on the outside or build your own deck. Again, it's supposed to be a destination fifth wheel. So you can kind of do what you want with it when you get it out there. Beautiful solid surface countertops, huge oven, 3-burner cooktop, the fancy microwave, big refrigerator, nice little beams up on the ceiling. You're going to have a little coat closet right here as well. Now, I do plan on doing a much better, more detailed video when we actually get the unit down to the lot. But up here at the show, it was a little tough to get in here and really truly do good videos. But right here, you're going to have your bathroom area, solid surface countertops, multiple drawers, one-piece fiberglass shower, porcelain bowl toilet. This thing was even ordered with the washer and dryer in it, which is pretty cool. You got kind of a washer dryer setup here with a drawer in the middle for some storage space. Nice staircase going up here, and then there's a loft right here as well. So again, sleeping that extra grandkid or guest, turbo exhaust fan up there. Then you're going into your master bedroom, which has a really nice view looking out the front of it. Camper king bed, storage underneath, quite a bit of dresser space and cabinet space up here as well. Little seating area there, maybe sit down, read a book, look out the window. And you also have your big closet over there as well for hanging stuff up. But a big TV in here as well. Very, very nice look here. All right, folks, be sure to keep an eye out again for the larger, more detailed tour coming up here as soon as it gets to the lot. As you know, as always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you don't mind helping out my channel. And always be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. If you're interested in saving some money, they even have shipping available to bring it right to you if you can't come pick it up. Thanks again.